So today we're going to go through my bag I use for pool inspections. This is what I'm going to keep in my truck at all times because you never really know what you're going to come across in the field. So we got a ton of different stuff. Let's take a look and see what we got. All right, so we've got our spin discs right here. These are going to go in my Lamont Spin Touch. This is going to help us get a really, really good read on the chemistry that's in each pool because that really is going to matter. We've got a pair of gloves. I won't have to use these every time, but if you're handling any kind of scale remover or low pH product, it's a good idea to have some gloves on you. I have a pumice stone. These are great for removing topical stains on pools. I won't have to use this often, but occasionally it comes in handy, and it attaches to the end of a pole. All right. I've got my binder here with my pool evaluation forms so we can keep close track of everything we see on the job site. All right, I got the good stuff. We've got our number 2 solution. We use a wide variety of products. It doesn't just have to be stain drop. Any dry acid will do. The number 2 solution will help you remove scale and copper. All right, I have some O2 Safe Shock. This product here will help you remove any sort of organic stain that is on top of a pool. So if you have leaves and stuff like that falling in a pool, this will remove it. All right, and then I have Jack's Magic Iron Cobalt Spot Etching Step. So this is great for any kind of a metal treatment. If you have some aggressive water running through your pipes and damaging your heater, or even if you have metal falling out of solution of the algaecide, this will help remove it from your pool finish. I also keep 2 different sequestrants in here. I don't use these often, but if I'm going to remove or try to remove a metal, using a metal sequestrant will really help that situation. Right. Woohoo! All right. I also have my sequestrant test kit. Most pools in Florida do not have the recommended amount of sequestrant in the pool water. So this is a great way for me to tell if I need to recommend a customer using additional sequestrant on a daily basis or weekly or monthly basis. All right, I got the tried and true Taylor test kit. This is a great backup for the Lamont Spin Touch, or if I want to double check something, I always keep this in my bag because it is tried and true. It takes a little longer than the Spin Touch, but a great product. All right. I've got a couple different kinds of brushes. This one's great because it gets right in the angle of the step. All right, I got these little cups here, and these are great for helping me with samples. All right. I also have a wide variety of files. I rarely take these out, but it's good to have them on hand in case we need them. And then on to our little accessory pieces here. All right. I have water that is distilled. This is key if you want to test an item you find in the pool. Distilled water doesn't have calcium in it. It's free of all kinds of additional items in the water. So you can always test flakes to see if they're calcium by using distilled water. All right, and then I have the tried and true, the stockings. You'll take your testing agents and you'll put them in the stockings, and then you can put them directly on the pool in any area you want to test. So kind of a funny thing to have, but works great. All right. And then lastly, I've got some eyedroppers. These are great for transferring chemicals, transferring water. And I also have a sample of some material that came out of a pool that I should probably just throw away, but it's here. And that is what I keep on in my bag on a daily basis.